How to check how many cores your CPU has on Windows 10। आपका विंडोज में कितने कोर का सीपीयू लगा हुआ है, ये कैसे चेक करेंगे, ये चेक करते हैं। तो सीपीयू का कोर चेक करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू क्लिक ऑन दिस, मिनिमाइज दिस एंड गो ऑन टास्क बार। So this is taskbar and click on right space on taskbar and click on task manager. So log the taskbar and click on task manager, then open it and you can see here the task manager or opened. Then click on performance tab and you can see here CPU are running and open. So this is your core option R4. 4 is 4, so this is your CPU core 4. If your CPU core are 2, then your core is 2 and 8, so octa core. So this is your core number are here. So close it and that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Then subscribe us and don't forget to like, share and comments on this video.